Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust volume level with your Baseus J52 earbuds. So to do this, you just have to swipe up and down on the left and the right earbud. Let me show you. So if you want to volume up, you have to use the right one and swipe up like that. As you can see, that's how we can increase volume level. And to volume down, just use the left one and swipe down. And now let's increase volume level. And as you can see, that's very simple. So, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.